Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams. It's April 15th. I'm on like 4 hours of sleep. I just came back from San Antonio, Texas, where I was there from Thursday to Thursday. I got back at 2 in the morning. We're gonna have a video about that, about some LED walls that we just installed. But today's episode is phase 2 of Heritage on the Marina, where we installed 2 access control doors and 2 cameras. And now we're going through installing 7 more cameras, plus a fisheye, and adding the last door on the system for now, the front door, where we installed 2 new ADA buttons and a motorized door closer for the employees and guests to come in and out the building. And we got a lot of conduit runs, a lot of cable runs on this job. We're gonna be showing you what we did there on this phase 2. It's gonna be like a 2-part video for this one, but let's go check it out.
Wiring up additional cameras and that front door access control there. Just running wires, doing conduit. Did I grab the mother? Wrong size. It's even level. Couldn't get the damn thing into the pipe.
All right, so that was it. We got the cameras up. We still have a lot more to do. We'll have that on another video, and we'll also be showing you that San Antonio video. We got back a lot of footage on that one, a lot of GoPro footage, a time lapse, a lot of cell phone footage of me going all around San Antonio, in and up and down around the building around there, and getting those screens on this motorized truss to go up and stuff. It's crazy. But we'll see you guys on the next one. Later. Yo, what's up? Yo, so that's it. Oh my God.